Hi children, now let's write cursive writing using the rainbow colors. When do you see a rainbow? After the rain, you see a beautiful color spread in the sky. The rainbow comes up. How many colors are there in the rainbow? There are 7 colors. So let's write the first 4. Okay? Now, violet is the first color we're going to write. Spell violet. V-I-O-L-E-T. Violet. Yes. Let's write. V-I. V-I-O-L-E-T. Violet. Let's write the V capital. It's a beautiful color. Violet. V-I-O-L-E-T. Violet. Next color after the violet in the rainbow is indigo. It's a lovely little blue color. Indigo. Yes? I-N-D-I-G-O. Indigo. Let's write. I-N-D-I-G-O. Indigo. It's a lovely color you love. Indigo. Let's write the I capital. I N D I G O. Indigo. These are the next one. Next color is blue. Violet, indigo. Third color is blue. Spell blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Good. Let's write B. L-U-E. Blue. Let's write the B capital. B-L-U-E. Blue. Alright? Next. The fourth color is green. Spell green. What is green? Grass is green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Good. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Let's write the G capital. G. R. E, E, and green. We have written the first 4 colors in the rainbow. First, violet, V-I-O-L-E-T, violet. Indigo, I-N-D-I-G-O, indigo. Blue, B-L-U-E, blue. And green, G-R-E-E-N, green. Good. The next 3 colors in the rainbow. Alright? Now, 5th color in the rainbow is yellow. What is yellow? Sunflower is yellow. Banana is yellow. Yes? Spell yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Big sunflower that faces the sun. Shall we write yellow? Good. Y E L L O W. Yellow. Let's write the Y capital. Y E L L O W. Yellow. The little duckling is yellow, isn't it? Baby duckling. Now, next one. What's the next color? Orange. Orange is a color and a fruit. We'll have to eat orange. Good. Spell orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Good. O-R. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Let's write the O capital. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Next, the seventh color is red. What is red? Red color, red hot sun. Yes, red. You have seen red roses. Color red you love, isn't it? Spell R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. Let's write the R capital. R-E-D, red. So this is the fifth, sixth, and seventh color in the rainbow. Yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Yellow chick, yellow sunflower, yes, yellow plantain, yellow. Next, orange is a fruit and a color. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. I'm sure you love to eat oranges, juicy oranges. Here, red. Red flower, red, lovely rose color. Red, R-E-D, red.